Hi there, and welcome to our video about CRISPR. In this video, we will be discussing what CRISPR is, how it works, and its potential applications. Let's look at what is CRISPR. CRISPR stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. It is a type of genetic tool that allows scientists to edit and alter DNA sequences. CRISPR is used to target specific sections of DNA and slices them with accuracy and precision. Let's explore how CRISPR works. CRISPR works by using a type of protein called Cas9. Cas9 is guided to specific sections of DNA by CRISPR RNA, ribonucleic acid, which binds to the DNA and creates a double-stranded break. This break is then repaired, either by adding new genetic material or removing existing genetic material. Now that we know how CRISPR works, let's explore some of its potential applications. Application 1: Treating genetic disorders. CRISPR could be used to treat genetic disorders by removing or altering the genetic mutations that cause the disorder. This could lead to the eradication of genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and sickle cell anemia. Application 2: Creating designer babies. CRISPR has the potential to be used to create designer babies, where parents can select certain genetic traits for their offspring. This application of CRISPR is highly controversial and raises ethical questions. Application 3: Plant genomes. CRISPR could be used to edit plant genomes, which could lead to the creation of crops that are more resistant to pests, droughts, and other environmental stressors. Application 4: Developing new drugs. CRISPR could be used to create animal models of human diseases, which could aid in the development of new drugs and treatments for diseases like cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. And now for the conclusion. In conclusion, CRISPR technology is a powerful tool that holds huge potential for genetic research and healthcare. While there are ethical concerns when it comes to designer babies, the potential applications of CRISPR are limitless. We hope you learned something new about CRISPR and its importance in genetic research. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon.